Okay guys, I filmed putting the roof on, but I lost the footage, so I'm just going to show you this. You saw me make the floor, all the sides, and that's what it looks like. I never worry about the extra trim on the back because you can't see the back. You can only see the front and sides. Most people put their dog houses up against a fence or a building or something. But that's what it looks like. This is just a basic build. The boards that I put underneath of the roof here, I left stick out just enough for a handle. That's just 50-pound roof shingle paper. It's same material as shingles. It's just not cut into tabs. It's just a big roll. You buy it in 50-foot lengths. And I use caulk, liquid nails, to put it down, because you don't want to put nails through the shingles, through the wood, which is only 3/4 of an inch thick. You can't get 3/4 of an inch roofing nails. You can only get 1 inch. And then the little ends stick down and the dog can hit its head on the sharp nails all over. So I don't put it down with nails. I put it down with liquid nails. It's a caulk, comes out of the caulk gun. I put it on hinges. These are the boards that I use to hold the roof together. It's the same as the roof. And like I said, I leave it stick out so that you have a handle on both sides. Let me get you a little closer so you can see the inside. I leave the inside unfinished. It's all pressure treated anyway, so it's not necessary to do anything with it. And if the customer wants to, they can polyurethane it or ask me to poly it for a few bucks more. But there's your doghouse. Thanks for stopping by.